I'm a huge fan of DowChemical, and I believe it makes a really excellent long-term investment. In addition to potential capital gains from its own returns, it also pays a huge dividend, more than 5% annually at its current prices. However, with many bears believing that we're going to see a recession in the fourth quarter of 2023 or the first quarter of 2024, I didn't like the fact that DowChemical was the position that had the most actual investment capital in it out of everything in the investments in play portfolio. So when the markets rallied and pulled back a little bit on Thursday, I decided it was time to get the capital out of DowChemical. I have no problem with industrials rolling over into a recession, but I'd rather not have any actual investment capital at work. And like I said, with a 5% dividend that's being reinvested and compounded, there's actually no real reason for me to put real investment capital into this position. My sale went through at $54.19 and locked in 57.85% in gains on shares that I bought for an average price of $34.71 during the March 2020 sell-off. It also lowered my per share cost $28.93, down from $28.60 to negative 33 cents, which means each share I still hold in the position costs me nothing. I'm playing with the house's money, and it's added 33 cents per share. From here, my next buy target is $43.89, slightly above Dow's 2022 low. I will not be adding anything but profits into this position, so it will be a very small buy. I'll also continue taking profits from Dow, with my next sell target at $60.19, just slightly under Dow's high from 2023. I do believe Dow's going to be great for the long term. I just don't want any kind of cyclical risk going into a recession.